Hi my lovely people, welcome to Daily Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to show about a fresher job opening. Okay, if you're a fresher having complete 0 years of experience, or if you're experienced candidate having at least 1 year of experience, not a problem. You can easily apply to the job openings, which I'm going to show you now. Coming to this topic, today in this video, I'm going to show you about Infosys company freshers job openings. As you know, Infosys is one of the most oldest and one of the famous IT company in the India. So this company is mainly hiring for the freshers. Okay, so I will be showing you the job details and everything. Requesting everyone, please watch this video completely till the end. If you're a fresher having 0 years of experience and you may be from the any degree, guys, you may be from the BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MCA, or you may be from the BCom, BSc. You may be from any degree, guys. You may be from the hotel management degree or diploma background. Not a problem. We can easily apply. And moreover, you may be from the any batches. Okay, you may be from 2023, 24, 22, 21, 20, 2019 batch students can also apply. Okay, so and one more thing, you may be from the any locations, guys. You may be from the Bengaluru, Chennai, Kolkata, Rajasthan. We can also apply. Okay, so in these job locations, they have clearly mentioned everything. So I'm requesting everyone, please subscribe the channel and watch this video completely till the end. Okay, so without wasting much time, we'll directly get into the job opening and everything. Okay, as you can see here, as I've already opened the Infosys portal, look at this. This is Infosys portal. Okay, as you can see the logo of the company, right? So the Infosys is mainly hiring for the position of process executive data. Okay, the position they are hiring is process executive data. So this is the role name, and as you can see this here, they have mentioned the company name and location is Jaipur. See, by looking at this location Jaipur, don't get confused and don't think it's only for the Jaipur location. I'm telling you, it's for pan India locations. Here in the down they have mentioned. I'm going to show you. Okay, here if you look at this, location of posting is subject to the business requirement. Means they are going to put you anywhere. It may be in the Bangalore. They have various branches and they have various offices across India. So they might be putting you into the Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, anywhere, guys. So you may be from the any region. Be ready for that. Okay. So that's why I'm telling. Maybe from the any locations you can apply to this job openings. Okay. So here they have mentioned the job ID and reference. And look at this work experience. As I've already told you, it's completely for the fresher as well as an experienced candidate. If you're a fresher, you don't have any skills. Okay, if you don't have any skills, if you just know how to read and write, you can apply to this job openings. You don't need any coding language, or you don't know any high skills are not required for this job. Okay, as I've already told you, the job title is process executive data. Look at the responsibilities. Okay, what you are going to do, or what are the responsibilities you will be having. Proficient with basic computer knowledge. See, if you just know how to operate the computer, if you just know how to turn on the computer, or if you just know about some basics computer softwares like ms Office, mx excel, that's fine, guys. Okay, if you just know how to control the laptop also, it's fine. You can work on this. Candidate should be flexible to work in 24 into 7 environments, comfortable to work in night shift. See, here they have clearly mentioned you will be working in a shift. Okay, it may be in the morning shift, evening shift, night shift, not a problem. And moreover, you will be having you should be ready to work in night shift also. Remember the point. Okay, it may be the male or it may be the female, but you should be ready. Ability to understand process knowledge quickly and efficiently. See, here you should be able to understand. Here, once you join this company, they are going to give you the training for at least 3 to 6 months. I'm telling you, they are going to give that training. So while in the training, as well as in the when they have put you into the project, you should be able to understand the tools and technologies, what they are going to tell you, what they are going to teach you. You should be ready to learn that. Okay, next is any graduates are eligible. As I already told you, you may be from the any, guys. You may be from the BCom, MCom, or you may be from the BEd. You may be from the any teacher background. Not a problem. You may be from the house. You may be from any background, guys. We can apply. Okay, so you just need to complete your degree. If you have just a degree in your hand, you can apply. And good communication skills, oral and written. Here you should be able to write and you should be able to read. That is important. Able to be comfortable working from office. See, moreover, I'm telling you, this is completely from work from home office. Okay, so you need to go to the office and work for every day, at least for 8 hours. And here look at this. Any graduate, all education certificates are mandatory before joining. As I've already told you, it's for the every graduates. You may be from the any education section, or you may be from the any education background. You just need to have the educational certificates. Okay. Graduates between 2019 to 2024 full-time graduations are eligible. As I already told you, you may be from the 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23. Not a problem. You can blindly apply. Okay, this is a golden opportunity for you guys. I am telling, moreover, you're going to get at least 4 LPA for this job openings. Okay, so don't waste the opportunity. Okay, so apply to this. As I've already told you, location of the posting is subject to the business requirement. Here, wherever they will be getting, wherever they will be getting the job openings, or in the based on the business requirement, they're going to put you. It may be in the Delhi, it may be in the Chennai, it may be in the Kolkata, it may be in the Kerala, anywhere, guys. Okay, so I will show you how to apply for the job opening also. So just click on this, click to proceed. Okay, you need to create your email ID. First, you need to create your account. Okay, as I've already created my account, so it's showing like this. So it's directly showing my email ID and password. So I'll be direct login. You just need to create your account. That is first important thing. Okay, so once after creating this, okay, you will be redirected to the entering details. Look at this, process executive data. See here, like this, the form will be open. You need to enter your you need to add your photo. Okay, as I already added my photo, you need to add your date of birth. And you look at this, here is the, you can print Bengaluru, or you can print here. Look at this, Ghaziabad, Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Bengaluru locations are there, right? So as I already told you, so there will be locations. As you can select anyone, I will be selecting Bangalore because it will near before me. And you can, if you have experience, you need to mention here. You don't have any experience, you don't need to mention. As of I'm already having experience on this, I have mentioned. Okay, and you just leave this total experience and everything. You just leave this. Okay, so you need to mention your 10th percentage as well as 12th percentage and everything. If you are from diploma background, you need to mention here. Okay, and once after this, look at this, graduation degree. You need to mention a graduation degree, everything. You need to add your resume, and here you need to show your gender, mail ID, everything you need to add this. And here you can add skills like computer knowledge, everything you can add. It may be in your choice. Okay. So once after adding this, here look at this declaration form. This is very important, guys. Please watch this. Please carefully take this. Okay. Here I am flexible to work in any shift and okay with any 2 offs. Okay. Here you will be having a 2 days week in off. It may be in the Saturday Sunday, or it may not be in the Saturday Sunday. You may be given Monday Tuesday also. So be prepared for that. So you need to give S here. Whatever the declaration forms in there now, everything you should need to give S. Okay, I am medically fit to work in any shift as per the business requirement. So you are ready, right? So you need to give S. And here look at this, I'm willing to work in any process selected during the time of interview. So you need to give yes. Everything you need to just click on the S and S. Okay, so just everything fill it as S. Next, once after clicking the S, right? Well, just check out everything, the details which you have filled, whether you have filled the details correctly or not. Okay, so yeah, here I have filled everything as a S. Okay, if you give no, it might be problem for you, because sometimes if you don't meet the eligibility criteria, your application might be rejected. So I'm telling you, please give everything yes. Okay, and once after everything, if you are checked, just click on this apply now section. Second, look at this. You have successfully applied for the process executive data role. See, this is very simple application form which I have shown you. Okay, so you move from the any freshers, you move from the any degrees, please apply. Okay, so this was a job opportunity which I wanted to show you guys. If you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Okay, so this was the job openings which I wanted to show you guys. If you're looking for any other job opportunities in the upcoming days, please mention me in the comment section. I will be happy to bring all the job openings for you. All the best for your interviews. Have a good day. Bye.